Have you ever tried this delicious Chinese fried rice? Today I decided to prepare it for you guys. So stay tuned and let's watch how to make this delicious fried rice. So lovely, to begin, go ahead and parboil your white rice. As for me, I'm using basmati rice, but this recipe goes down with any rice of your choice. You can use white rice, any rice, just go ahead and parboil it. Okay guys, so keep watching. So next, I will go ahead and slice my chicken into tiny pieces, which I'm going to use for this recipe. So keep watching. At the same time, you can also use chicken liver or the beef, gizzard, or turkey meat, any meat of your choice depending on what you prefer to use. Okay guys, so at this stage I will be introducing my fresh eggs, the eggs I will use for the fried rice, and I'm using 4 large eggs. So keep watching. So at this stage, I'll go ahead and add a little bit of salt. So go ahead and whisk it with your fork or anything you want to use. Just make sure you stir very well. Okay guys. After that, I will go ahead and start to fry the egg. Add a little oil on my frying pan. Pour in the egg and start turning immediately, just as you are seeing right now on your screen. Just keep stirring it until it starts crumbling just the way you are seeing right on your screen. So at this stage, I will go ahead and remove all the fried eggs from the frying pan and step it aside. So keep watching. Next, add a little oil again on the same frying pan. After that, I'll go ahead and fry the protein, the chicken, which I have already introduced. So season with any seasonings of your choice. For this recipe, I use thyme, black pepper, chili powder, a little curry powder. It's optional. Feel free to remove any of these which you don't want, but for me, I'm preparing it to my own taste. Okay guys, take note, you can make yours to your own taste. Feel free to remove any of the ingredients you don't like or you don't have or you don't want. Believe me, you are good to go. Okay guys, so continue watching. Before I forget, if you are my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much for always coming by to watch my video. I appreciate. At this stage, I'm done with the chicken. I'm going to remove it out from the frying pan and step it aside. Yeah. Next is to go ahead and slice my onions, and I'm using 2 onions for this recipe. You can also choose to use red or white onions. It does not matter whichever one you want to use, it's still okay. Next, on the same frying pan, go ahead and add a little oil on it. Heat it up a bit. Proceed by adding your chopped onions and stir very well. At this stage, I will go ahead and add in my bell peppers. I'm using red, yellow and green bell peppers. So just go ahead and add it inside, just as you are seeing right now. After that, go in with your black pepper. Next is your chili powder. Stir very well. At this stage, I'll be going in with my green beans, sweet corns. Just at this stage, just go ahead and pour in all your veggies. As you are pouring it in, also make sure you are giving it a good mix. Okay guys, keep watching. Next, go in with your cabbage vegetable as you are seeing right now. After that, proceed by giving it a good mix. Okay guys. So at this stage, I will go ahead and add my parboiled rice and make sure I mix very well. Keep watching. So right now I will be going in with the chicken. Mix again. Right now I will be going in with soy sauce and oyster sauce, and the quantity is a big tablespoons of soy sauce and oyster sauce. So take notes guys, keep watching. So the next one is to go in with the fried eggs and make sure you mix very well. As you are adding anything, make sure you also mix very well. Then the final one but not the least is to go in with your spring onions and make sure you combine everything together. Keep mixing, let them marry each other, mix very well. So if you are new to my channel, let's be friends. Click that sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of my new videos whenever I upload new videos like this. So my lovelies, at this stage, here is the final look, the outcome, looking so delicious as usual, like sugary lecker. I don't have to tell you, looking at it alone, your spirit have to convince you that the taste is awesome. Like the taste is something else. Just go to your kitchen and give it a try and come and thank me later. So my lovelies, as the chef, I have to test my delicious food. As you can see, I cannot come and keep myself. So I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like, share your thoughts at the comment section down below. See you guys in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye.